Press the power button to turn on. The default mode after booting is Waveform mode. First, enter the settings interface. Press FE and FR to switch between Chinese and English. Before starting the test, it must be set or checked. Focus on the electrical wiring. Select the current, clamp, and ratio. Use the up and down arrow keys to select. Enter key to confirm. There are 4 wiring methods to choose from. Use up and down arrow keys to select. Press the return key to return to the settings interface. Then select the current, clamp, and ratio. First is the voltage ratio. F2 to switch to current, clamp, and current ratio. The settings here must be consistent with current clamp to accurately measure. Take 008 as an example. Do the confirmation key, set by up, down, left, and right arrows. The voltage ratio, CT ratio, generally does not need to be modified. It can be changed if it cannot meet users' needs. Here we use a 3-phase source for demonstration. You can see that the meter port and have corresponding identifiers. Connect the current clamp to the port one by one. In actual use crocodile clips, and the current clamp is clamped to the measured line. In the previous step, we selected the 3-phase 4-wire connection method, so only 3 current clamps are needed. In the waveform mode, you can see the current, voltage, and current waveform. The yellow function keys below correspond to different measurement functions. Press the corresponding key to switch. On the right, you can use the up and down arrow keys to switch the display waveforms of different channels 3U, 3V, 3A, L1, L2, L3, etc. It will be different under different wiring methods. Meanwhile, we can notice that different waveforms have different colors, which matches the display above. Below is the instantaneous value of the waveform. Use left and right keys to move the cursor. Long press to move quickly. Press F2 to switch to the THD interface. The operation is the same. And so on. Press F3 to switch to the CF interface. Press F4 to switch to the effective value, peak value, maximum value, minimum value. Press F5 to display all voltages or current measurement values, RMS, DC, DF, CF, PST. Press F2 to display the phase diagram. Press the corresponding key to switch harmonic mode. The following correspond to different function keys as shown in the figure. Press F2 to switch to current harmonic. Press F3 to switch to the reactive power harmonic interface. Press F4 to switch to the line voltage interface. Press the corresponding key to switch to waveform capture mode. You can select transient waveforms and start current. Up and down arrows to select. Enter to confirm. Enter the transient waveform. First is the history record page. On this page, you can view, browse, and delete operations. Then press W for the power mode. Measurement parameters are directly displayed. Press F2 to display power factor, displacement power factor, tangent power factor, phase angle of current and voltage. Press F3 and F4 to view generated and consumed energy. The same interface above can be accessed by press the up and down arrow keys to view different channels. Press F5 to calculate the generated and the consumption of electricity. The upper part shows the start time of power calculation. Press F6 again to stop the calculation. The upper shows the stop time of power. Enter the trend chart mode. The historical record is empty. FE and FR to turn pages. Press F5 to enter the monitoring schedule. Press F1 to select the required parameters. The hollow red dot indicates the selected state. Then set the start and stop time. Set the time record interval, file name, etc. The start time should be greater than the current time of the upper right corner instrument. After setting, press F6 to start monitoring. It will be automatically saved after detection. Open and install the file downloaded from the official website. Select according to the system bit. Click Next several times. After installation, connect the instrument. Run as an administrator with right-click. It is divided into 2 categories: real-time data and history. Get relevant test data as required. Thanks for watching.